Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a lovely song by Alec Benjamin, which is Miss Her the Most, and we have nice beginner friendly guitar playing over here, and gonna provide you everything for the song, which tabs played on the piano, but that can be actually transposed to a guitar and it sounds too beautiful. So let's get started. We need the capo on the first fret, so make sure that you have the capo and put it on the first fret of your guitar, and the chords, which I'm going to show you in a minute, will be very easy. So before that, just have a look at the structure so that you actually know what the parts you're learning. So we have started with the intro, then we have the verse, then you got the pre-chorus, then you have the chorus. Then after the chorus we have another verse, another pre-chorus, another chorus, and then we have something like what do you say, that breakdown part where he makes some noises with his mouth. I don't know what it's actually called, but still I hope you can understand that. And then we have the last chorus of just one line. So that's basically all for the song. Very nice one, nice lyrics and all. He wrote that when he was 17, so at that age it's a decent one. So keep on the first fret. Now I just want to say that if you won't mind, please subscribe to my channel, because it will help your boy a lot. Because if I upload a guitar tutorial and a song which just came out 5 minutes ago, and someone who's having a bit more subscribers than me does that after 2 hours, even with bit not that good as mine, or maybe a bit worse than mine, he will still get more views, because YouTube will actually put him at the top, and that's the reason I told you guys to subscribe. So let's get started. We have the first chord, E minor 0 2 2 0 0 0. Then you have a G, which is 3 2 0 0 0 3. Then we have a C, which is mute 3 2 0 1 0. Then a D, mute 0 2 3 2. Then we have a A minor, mute 0 2 2 1 0. So I think that's everything. Now you know the chord shape. Let me introduce you to the main part of the song, which is the finger picking. It's actually too easy. Now for this part of the song, we are actually doing finger picking. Now obviously you can just use a pick, but I like to finger pick all the stuff over here, so I use my thumb to play the E string, A string, or the D string. So whenever I say the E, A, D, you just use your thumb. G string, index finger, B string, middle finger, ring finger for the high string. This is actually the basic thing. Now if you're not familiar with this one, you can just go with the usual picking, how you use your fingers, but obviously this is the correct and the proper way to play. So we start off, just have a look at the tab. We start off with the E minor, so the chord progression will be a E minor, then a G, then a C, and again a C. So C gets repeated 2 times, but for this song, for this part specifically, we have the B string open for all the chords. Like for the E minor, we had the B string open anyways. G string also we had it open, but for the C also you keep it open. So you can actually say it's a C major 7. And we play the E string, then the G string. So we play E open, G open, B open. Then you play E string, then the D string second fret, then open G string. So we got, and you go to the next chord, which is a G, and you do the exact same pattern: E, G, B, then E, D, G. So you got, and then move on to the C major 7 chord with these 2 fingers. So I'm just doing every chord with these 2 fingers. So I play A string now, A string, then the G string, then the B string, then the D string, then A string, G string, B string, then the D string, G string. Sorry. So we got A, G, B, then we got A, D, G. So third fret open, open, third fret second open. And that's the basic thing. And that goes for the intro and for the verse, as well as for the main part of the song. We have the verse and all, so it goes for that part. So let's play it a couple of times, and it's actually super easy. You can just play it like this also. Make sure you repeat the C major chord 2 times, because it's actually 2 times in the song. So E minor, G, C, C. So we got, that's it. Now I move on to the pre-chorus, and just want to see that I was supposed to do the song earlier, but like I was actually busy on Saturdays making, like I promised that I'm just gonna complete the full album in a single day, Legends Never Die by Juice WRLD. So that took me a lot of time, and I made 12 videos a single day, and I actually covered the whole album. So you can check out if you're a fan of Juice WRLD. Though still, that's the reason. But I'm just gonna cover the song today, Alec Benjamin's, which came out Friday. So it's nice and easy, and then we got the pre-chorus part, which is chord progression having D major, then a E minor, then a G, then a C, then a D. And now for this part, you just grab a pick and do one down on each chord, and that's enough. So we do go D major, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have the 1, 2, 3. So repeat. This is basically the pre-chorus. Goes for the second pre-chorus as well. Now we move on to the chorus, and for the chorus, our chord progression will be a A minor, C, G, D, and we repeat that 4 times, and we are actually done with the chorus. And then we have the next verse, next pre-chorus, next chorus. So A minor, C, G, D, and just have a look at my right hand. This is an optional string pattern which I'm just showing you. You can just go. It's basically 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 3 I do a loud down, and on the 1 and 2 I do a down, which mainly focus on strumming the bass note. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's play that. Down, 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 up, down, down. You can also do an up, down, down, up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. And that's it. Then you have the next verse, and next pre-chorus, and next chorus. And after that, we have that breakdown part, and the breakdown part of the chord progression will be a A minor, then a C, the last thing like the chorus, G, then a D, then you have E minor, then a G, then a C, then a C, and we end it with a D. And we can just go with one down on each chord, and even for the chorus also you can just give one down, and that's it. So let's play that. 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, and then you move on to the outro, which is the last chorus, and we have that stuff going on. You can even play A minor, C, G, D, but you can even just play this thing which goes. So it's up to you. So that's it for this lesson. If you just want to learn any song by Alec Benjamin, make sure to check out my channel. I did many, and obviously gonna do. So drop me a comment down below. Subscribe, because I just want to hit 2,000 subscribers very fast. So let me hit that, and just gonna do something special as soon as I see the vaccines comes out and I'm actually able to go outside. Stuck at home and just helping out. I'm just like spending my free time with you guys, and that's it for this lesson. And I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.